Hi, I'm Luke Desmond, the CEO and founder of Crisp Accountancy. We have, over the last 3 years, headline-sponsored business growth events. We've run hundreds of workshops. I've been a keynote speaker, and I've delivered lots of one-to-one and group sessions, coaching businesses and business owners on how to grow, accelerate their business, understand their numbers, and achieve great financial results. So we are super excited that for the first time we are going to be putting on our own immersive one-day event. We have 3 industry leaders, 4 workshops, 1 great lunch. So there's plenty of value to be had from getting a ticket to come along to our event. I will be talking about the 7 ways to grow your business. Now, this event is really pitched at those businesses that are already at $1 million turnover or approaching that figure. So you might be thinking, I already know how to grow. But my experience tells me that what got you to $1 million is not what's going to get you to 3 million. And what gets you to 3 million is not what's going to take you to 10 million and beyond. So we want to focus on growing your bottom line. Time and time again, I see business owners that come to me at 2 million turnover, making less profit than when they're at 500k turnover, because it's incredibly hard to scale your business, the top line revenue, but also the bottom line. So this is what we're going to be focusing on. Yes, we're going to talk about some of the sales and marketing techniques as well. They're very important, but focus on profitability, margin, what drives your scale to help you achieve your goals. We're going to have Emma Ellis, a marketing expert, who's going to talk about some of the marketing techniques around brand and some of the other areas of marketing that will help you on that journey as well. And we're going to have Liz Redway, an HR and people expert, who's going to talk to you about recruiting, motivating and retaining high performance teams. And the 3 elements together, that magical triangle, that trifecta, is what will help you unlock your goals. So if you haven't already and you're ready to take your business to the next level, join up, go on the waiting list, buy a ticket, and we'll see you there.